Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the hotspot settings of your device Vivo Y22s. So if you want to learn how to enable hotspot in your device, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to enable hotspot in your device Vivo Y22s.